Do you want to know how to keep your feet and nails looking their best? Welcome to our journey into the world of foot and nail care, a realm often overlooked, yet essential to our overall well-being. Today's guide is all about the art of maintaining healthy feet and nails, a process that is not just about appearance, but also about hygiene and comfort. You see, our feet and nails are subjected to a lot, from the pressure of walking and running to being confined in shoes for long hours. This can lead to various issues if not properly cared for. But worry not. With some simple routines and practices, you can keep them in top-notch condition. The benefits are plenty, from boosting your self-confidence to preventing potential health issues, and even improving your posture. So, are you ready to give your feet and nails the care they deserve? Stay tuned to learn some easy-to-follow steps to take care of your feet and nails. The first step in foot and nail care is preparation. This phase sets the stage for the rest of your care routine, and it all starts with a good clean. It's essential to cleanse your feet thoroughly, ensuring that you get into all the nooks and crannies. You wouldn't want any dirt or bacteria to interfere with your foot care, would you? Next, let's talk about your nails. If you have old nail polish, gently remove it with an acetone-free remover. These removers are less harsh on your nails, keeping them healthy and strong. Remember, your nails need love too. Once your nails are bare, it's time to give them a good trim. Clipping your nails straight across is imperative. This helps prevent ingrown toenails, a common but painful problem. Now that your feet and nails are ready, let's move on to the next step. Filing and shaping your nails is an essential part of foot care. Now, let's dive into the correct way of filing nails. Begin from the side, gently moving towards the center in one direction. This method ensures a smooth finish, preventing any jagged edges that could lead to painful snags. Now, onto nail shapes. There are several to choose from, but we're focusing on the slightly rounded shape, ideal for toenails. To achieve this, follow the natural curve of your toe, filing each side towards the center. Remember, don't overdo it. A slight curve is all you need. Why is this shape best, you might ask? Well, this shape helps prevent pesky ingrown nails. It's a simple step that can save you from a lot of discomfort in the future. So take your time, be gentle, and remember that practice makes perfect. With your nails beautifully shaped, you're ready for the next step. Moisturizing is a critical step in foot and nail care. It's the magic wand that keeps your feet soft, supple, and ready to show off. Imagine your feet as a desert, parched and dry. Moisturizing is like bringing rain to that desert, filling it with life and vitality. Now, it's important to remember that timing is key. The best time to moisturize your feet is right after a shower or bath when your skin is still moist. This is when your skin is most receptive to hydration, soaking up the moisture like a thirsty plant. So, what should you use to moisturize your feet? Well, a foot cream or oil is perfect for deep hydration. These are specially designed to penetrate the thick skin on your feet, providing the much-needed moisture. And remember, this isn't just about aesthetics. Moisturizing your feet daily can help prevent dry, cracked skin, keeping your feet healthy and happy. Now, your feet are refreshed and moisturized. Let's finish with the final step. The final step in foot and nail care is addressing any potential issues. Foot and nail problems are quite common and can range from cosmetic to more severe health concerns. Fungal infections, for instance, can cause discoloration or thickening of nails. To prevent this, try to keep your feet clean and dry, and avoid sharing footwear. Corns and calluses are another issue that arises from friction and pressure on your feet. Regular exfoliation and wearing well-fitted shoes can help keep them at bay. Now, while home remedies and preventive measures can do wonders, there are times when professional help is necessary. If you notice persistent pain, swelling, or changes in your nails that don't improve over time, it might be best to consult a podiatrist or dermatologist. With these steps, you can keep your feet and nails looking their best. Remember, healthy feet are happy feet.